We don't waste a lot of time in Talladega County Schools talking about barriers. We spend the majority of our time working on solutions and seeing how we can do this for our students. Our visit to Lakota Schools in Ohio was a pivotal moment for Talladega County Schools.
A few years ago, we were able to see a cybersecurity class and speak to students in that program. It was not long after that visit that Digital Promise sent out information, please submit an application. So of course we applied and we were luckily chosen. Digital Promise guided us through the process of, having our core team, ways to include business and industry and post-secondary.
You have to have the leadership of the district that has the mindset. Really, a lot of credit goes to the team for just having the will and the mindset, which is 90% of the equation.
That's my mission in life, is to take kids places they've never been and to give them opportunities that they may have never seen before, and Digital Promise does that.
I'm going to be so honest with you. If I never joined cyber, I wouldn't have been confident to get my first job. I wouldn't have been confident to reach out to colleges for tours. I wouldn't have found what I wanted to do in life.
The changes that I'm seeing are students that may not have been interested in a particular pathway, and through the cybersecurity coursework, they have found their voice, they have found their niche. This summer we had students interning in various businesses throughout Talladega County, at a hospital, a local bank, community college, Talladega College. The relevance of the programming that helped them to see what was possible for them after high school.
The first year we had only 3 schools served, and now we have all 6 of our high schools have that opportunity to participate in cybersecurity, and we have added 7 districts in our area, and we are helping guide them through the process that we went through 3 years ago.
My standard phrase is seeing is believing. And we knew because of that, we could come back, bring the initiative to our students, and have the same type of opportunities for kids within our district.
Before I took this class, I probably would have been stuck still on what I was going to do in life. And now I'm very confident in myself. I'm very confident in what I'm going to do.